Hello, and welcome to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. Canada has seen an extraordinary surge in asylum claims filed by international students this year. Nearly 14,000 claims in just 9 months of 2024. This is a dramatic leap compared to the numbers we saw just a few years ago. So, what's going on, and why are Indian students leading this trend? Let's break it down. Canada received over 132,000 asylum claims between January and September 2024, and out of that, 84,000 were from people already in the country. But here's the kicker: international students alone accounted for 13,660 claims, which is more than the total asylum claims they filed last year, and miles ahead of just 1,800 claims in 2018. Leading the pack are students from India, with 2,290 claims, followed by Nigeria at 1,990, and Ghana with 1,385 claims. And here's a stat that might surprise you. India is Canada's largest source of international students. In 2023 alone, there were an estimated 427,000 Indian students studying in Canada. That's nearly 500,000. But why are these numbers skyrocketing? Well, one factor seems to be consultant malpractice. Canada's Immigration Minister, Mark Miller, recently called out what he described as a disturbing trend. According to him, some students are allegedly being advised to file asylum claims shortly after landing in Canada. This advice often comes from consultants or others looking to exploit loopholes in the system. Filing an asylum claim can sometimes reduce tuition fees to domestic rates, or it's pitched as a backdoor to permanent residency. But as Miller pointed out, this misuse of the asylum process is contrary to Canada's immigration objectives, and it's putting legitimate applicants in need of protection at a disadvantage. These actions haven't gone unnoticed. Canada has been tightening its immigration policies in response to this surge, with new limits on study permits and stricter eligibility for work permits. This has left many temporary residents, including students, scrambling for options to stay in the country legally. Even Prime Minister Justin Trudeau has weighed in, admitting that Canada's immigration system has been open to exploitation. He specifically mentioned fake colleges and large corporations that profit off these loopholes, creating headaches for students and the government alike. So what does the future look like for international students and temporary residents? Under Canada's new 3-year immigration plan, the temporary resident population is expected to shrink from nearly 3 million today to about 2.5 million by 2025. This means around 1.26 million temporary residents will have to leave the country as their visas expire. At the same time, Canada has revised its permanent residency quotas to address housing shortages and affordability concerns. The 2025 target for permanent residents has been reduced to 395,000, down from 485,000. The government is also prioritizing international students and work permit holders already in Canada, reserving about 40% of those permanent residency spots for them. For students considering Canada, the message is clear: know your options and understand the rules. Filing a false asylum claim may seem like a shortcut, but it comes with risks, not just for individuals, but for the integrity of Canada's immigration system as a whole. If you're thinking about studying or working in Canada, make sure you're getting advice from trusted sources. It's more important than ever to navigate the system with care. Do you think Canada's immigration policies are fair? Let me know your thoughts in comments section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights on immigration and jobs around the world. See you in the next one.